This is a rather belated Krown rust proofing update. It should have been done in August, 2 years on after I first did these experiments. But first of all, before we go and have a look at the barrel, we're going to have a quick look at the tow bar on my 130, where I fitted some or attached some wire wool pads which I'd soaked in different materials. But I left one as a control with nothing on it at all. Let's have a look. Right, so if you can remember, there was a control one on here. That has rusted off completely. There's nothing left of it whatsoever. The second one was engine oil, and that is looking like it's on its last legs. The Krown rust proofing looks like I just put it on the other day. That's very, very good. The next one over here, we'll look at this from this side. This is WD-40. Surprisingly, it's still there, but there's a lot of rust on top. The next one was a product called Honey Goo, and that is pretty damn good too. And the next one up there was fluid film. Can you see that? That again looks pretty good, and it feels still moist. So let's go and have a look at the barrel. So here we are outside at the scrap barrel. I did this on the 19th of August 2020. It's just started to get a few spots. It's still shiny metal, but they'll sort of rub off, if you see what I mean. That's good, eh? Now, this is supposed to be an annual rust proofing, but it's done remarkably well since I never touched it up at all. So I thought to myself, why not give it a little spray on the bottom half and see what happens then. Here we go. Now, it's supposed to be 8 inches away, and that's all she's getting. You see? Just a little spray like that, and we'll see what the difference is between the top and the bottom, and we'll also come back maybe later on in the week and see how far that's progressed. But honestly, I'm not going to put any more on. That's all she's getting. So I'll come back in a week. Well, here we are looking at the barrel. This is a week later. This is the 7th of October, and it looks as if it's spreading around quite nice. If you can remember in the last bit, we only just give it a little spray from 8 inches away, and you can see how it's creeping away. It doesn't just stick, it moves. So that's really good. You can see it's got round to here and round to here. That's pretty damn good. Like I say, normally waxes just stick and they don't do anything, not unless it's extremely hot, whereas this has been in the shade, so not too bad. And again, it's October. So let's have a look at this next year. It's 2022 now, so let's see what it's like in 2023 if we're still here. Right, see you later. Bye.